Good afternoon, everyone, especially to grade 6 learners and also for my new followers, mga bata kasagaran. Okay, thank you kayo sa pag-follow. And I hope that you will learn something on my video. So today's topic, it is about subtracting decimals. I have here two examples, 24 and 800ths minus 12 and 196 thousandths. And the second one is 15 and 7/10ths minus 3 and 49 hundredths. Okay, first we have to arrange this number vertically. Okay, so 24 0.08 minus 12.196. Okay, so kung atong tanaw no, there are space blank here above number 6. Okay, we should be very careful on subtracting decimal numbers. Kay lahi siya sa plus, ang plus pwede ra nato i-bring down ang 6 bisan pag y 0 ang babaw. But in subtracting decimal number, lahi. Butangan dyan nato 0. Kay mao man na siya ang atong kuhaan. Okay. So, 0 minus 6 cannot be. So, you have to borrow from 8. Okay, this will become 10. Then, an 8 will become 7. Okay? 10 minus 6 equals 4. Okay, then 7 minus 9 cannot be. So, we borrow from this. Okay, so this is 9. Kay kini siya, mahuwam po di siya diri unya. Okay, so this will become 17. 17 minus 9 equals 8. So, this is 9. Kay kini siya 10. Ang huwam siya diri sa 10. Kanya, kaning 0 pod. Nang huwam po ni siya sa 4, and this is 3 na. So, 9 minus 1 equals 8. Okay? So, 3 minus 2, okay, pwede siya, no? So, dilita mahuwam diri sa 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Then, 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay? So, the answer is 11 and 884 thousandths. Okay, the second example is this one. 15 and 7/10ths. Okay, atong i-rewrite vertically. Minus 3 and 49 hundredths. Okay, since 3 is, the place value of 3 is ones, because this is whole number, so ones ni siya. Dapat atomang i-align. So, nagtupong yun ang 3 of 5. Next is 4, ari siya sa 7 tungod. Then 9 will be here. So same also, add taog 0. Okay, proceed. So this will become 10 and this is 6. Okay, 10 minus 9 equals 1. Then 6 minus 4 equals 2. So decimal point atong i-butang. Okay. Then, kaning 5, wala ni siya whole me diri. So, this is 5 minus 3 equals 2. Then, 1. Okay. So, that's it.